Hi, I'm Rick with LATICRETE Technical Services, coming to you again from Bethany, Connecticut with another episode of what to do with my Strata-Heat thermostat. This is a problem that we have here, an ER1. An ER1 happens when we have no probe hooked up or a damaged probe. So here we have a probe. It has two little wires at the end. They're different colors, but they don't matter which goes to which. There's 3 jacks in the bottom. You put it in 1 and 2, never in 3. If you have the ER1, check the resistance of the probe, make sure it's operational. Another reason you may have it is you didn't hook up the probe or the probe is damaged. So to get rid of the ER1 if you don't have a probe, you're gonna hit your home button, settings, advanced settings, probes, and the floor probe you'll turn to none, accept it, go back, 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 and voila, you have no more ER1 error.